Eonon E46X6S review. BMW E46 gets CarPlay for G and DSP. Best upgrade or hype? Stuck wrestling with an ancient BMW stereo that kills the vibe, drops connections, and leaves you fumbling with CDs or outdated buttons. It's frustrating when your tech feels like it belongs in a museum. Every wasted minute on clunky menus, poor sound, or missing features leaves you distracted, unmotivated, and wishing your E46 could finally step into the modern world. The pain gets worse when deadlines loom, traffic builds, and your cabin tech can't keep up. No CarPlay, no Android Auto, no decent GPS, it's stress on wheels. Missed calls, distorted sound, and fumbling with your phone make driving overwhelming. Burnout creeps in, opportunities slip by, and every ride feels like a reminder your car's entertainment system is stuck in 2003. Enter the Eonon E46X6S 9-inch double-din car stereo, built specifically to modernize your BMW E46. Powered by Android 13 with Qualcomm octa-core, 6GB RAM, and 64GB storage, it's lightning fast and handles multitasking with ease. The QLED 9-inch HD touchscreen brings vibrant colors, sharp resolution, and split-screen capability, perfect for running maps and music side by side. Enjoy wireless CarPlay, Android Auto, and MirrorLink, connecting your phone instantly without tangled cables. A built-in DSP with 48-band EQ unleashes crystal-clear sound and customizable audio profiles. The unit retains OEM features like steering wheel controls and vehicle data, while adding modern extras, Bluetooth 5.1 for LTE SIM support, GPS navigation, DAB+ compatibility, OBDII diagnostics, and a backup camera included. One BMW enthusiast said, "The first time I streamed Spotify and used Google Maps natively, I felt like my 2003 330 Ci had jumped forward 20 years in one day." Designed for plug-and-play installation, this stereo transforms outdated dashboards into immersive infotainment hubs. The benefits are undeniable: smoother drives, laser-sharp focus, and stress-free control. Car audio experts praise the E46X6S. It's the most comprehensive upgrade solution for BMW E46, hands down. The DSP unlocks sound quality the stock system never had. Influencers highlight the massive 9-inch screen and snappy performance. Wireless CarPlay connected instantly. It feels like OEM, but better. Industry analysts agree. For the price, the hardware balance of 6GB RAM, Android 13, and DSP puts this unit ahead of most competitors. And real users echo the hype. Installation was straightforward. Wireless CarPlay connects every time, and the sound improvement is night and day. Another road. I popped in an old SIM card, streamed Spotify, and ran Waze without touching my phone. It's brilliant. Beyond music, the backup camera and OBDII integration turns safety and diagnostics into a seamless part of the driving experience. The responsive touchscreen, OTA software updates, and OEM-style fit make it look and feel like BMW itself designed it for the E46. Curious why thousands of E46 owners swear by it? The Eonon E46X6S doesn't just modernize your ride, it reinvents it. Don't let your E46 stay stuck in the past. Upgrade today with the Eonon E46X6S car stereo and experience modern driving with CarPlay, Android Auto, DSP sound, and 4G LTE connectivity. Join thousands of BMW enthusiasts who've already transformed their rides. Stock is limited, demand is high, and once it's gone, you'll wait months. Secure yours now, bring your E46 into the 21st century, and turn every drive into a connected, crystal clear, unforgettable journey. Act fast, your future dashboard is calling.